Over the last 6 weeks, we've looked at specific elements of narratives, the words or syntax or tone an author uses. You should be more comfortable now with identifying word choice or descriptive elements that tell us something about the themes and the narratives and arguments of the authors. It's when we step back to take all of those elements of style in at once that we get a sense of what is called the author's voice. Voice is an author's style. It's the quality that makes his or her writing unique. It conveys the author's attitude, the personality, and the character to the reader. For instance, we can read Alexei's essay, Superman and Me, and recognize his emphatic voice, full of descriptive words and repetitive syntax. Those elements together help create that voice. For many of the narratives we've read, the voice has been communicative and personal. The language they use is familiar and sometimes informal. Langston Hughes telling us his story in Salvation is full of description and dialogue. It's not a formal, detached, or authoritative voice. Instead, Hughes's piece is full of emotion. A reader connects with it because it's personal. We can relate to the emotional upheaval he felt and can recognize the struggle of giving in to societal pressure. Authors choose which voice they use, and recognizing that voice helps you detect what their greater meaning might be. For instance, consider one of the narratives you read this week, Our Vanishing Night. Unlike Hughes or E.B. White, Klinkenborg never puts himself into the narrative. There are no I statements. Instead, his sentences are longer and more complex. His word choice is specific. On page 217, for instance, he doesn't use animal, he says mammal. On page 218, he uses forage and not eat. What then can we say about his voice? Is it conversational or is it formal? Is it authoritative or lighthearted, emphatic? Make a list of the words you might use to describe his narrative, and then find a passage that provides evidence for that description. Then, consider why he might choose to present his writing and himself, as the author, that way. It'll help you identify the bigger themes of the piece.